Viewer discretion is advised.
Yo, I got a fake ID though.
Oh dear Lord.
You spin my head right round when you go down, when you go down.
You spin my head right around when you go down, when you go down.
I got fucking shit.
There you go. Alright, let's go on the road.
Your passport?
Oh, yeah, it's in my pocket. Do you have your passport with me? It's already fucking wrinkled.
Fuck you, man.
We go to Vegas?
Yes, sir.
God damn, we got the fucking film right there.
Is he running? National athletes. We only hire athletes.
Hell of a walk. That was cold. Got our ticket. Let's roll. 9:30. 75. Literally right here. Booby's first trip. So cute.
Wanna go fuck yourself?
How do you feel, Booby? With the flights in behind you? Wow. Made it through, man?
Me too.
I guess they just let anybody on the plane, eh? Alright, cheers guys. Cheers. Cheers to ConExpo. We all like each other. Nobody else was chugging? Okay, that's what I thought.
Guess I ain't in the country no more. No, I ain't in the country no more.
Must have known I was coming. Good job, boys.
Take a break, lads. Take a break.
Happy lunch.
You can do whatever you want. Thanks right now.
We can go home and beat our life.
Nobody talks like I do. Nobody here at all. No. Hell yeah, hey,
Real nice. There you go.
Well, there's only a couple things that these vehicles have in common in here. This here old pickup truck and this here old tandem. They all got this blue juice. Beautiful. Death fluid. You know what I gotta say to that? Fuck death. If you want to help get the message out there and help us make engines great again, make sure to hit the link down below, baby. New merch.
Nice. Place bitches.
The first thing you start doing is evaluating the septic system. You can tell that they got two failed lines right there because the way it is. Let's take a test hole.
Oh, there's workout. We can work out. We got weights.
Yeah! Yeah!
Hot tub time, baby. And ConExpo is supposed to be showing up here shortly with the package for me, so I'm waiting on that. Hey, how's it going?
This is a gift for you from ConExpo guy.
Thank you very much, man. Appreciate it. Wow, what did I get? Switch. Oh, oh, custom embroidered, baby. Says ConExpo on it. Daddy's spoiled. Oh, look at that. Taylor White, ConExpo. Yeti, baby. Thank you, ConExpo. Oh, nice. Booby, that'll come in handy. Portable power station.
That's exactly what we've been needing.
There you go, buddy. Merry Christmas. Woo! Thank you, ConExpo. Time to go hot tubbing. Sun's shining. We have a live podcast today that I'm going to be a part of. Driver's on their way. He's 13 minutes out. Last night, we rocked Old Vegas on Fremont Street, and shout out to everybody that we met and spoke to. We had an awesome time over there, shaking hands, meeting everybody that sees us on the podcast, as well as on YouTube, TikTok, and everything like that. Awesome. We're getting the troops all rallied. We may have had a little too many drinks last night, but that's okay. Let's rock, baby. Look at the shirts. Look at Whoopi's back of his shirt. Oh, whoa. How do you feel, Whoops?
Fucking man.
Fuck yeah, dude. Buddy's getting fucking pulling. I like when they pull in the laneway. It's a driveway. Oh, sorry. Do a big shout out to sponsoring the fucking video. Day 4. Day 1 for us, though.
This is actually the first day of ConExpo.
It's the real first day.
Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd.
Hi, Dylan. Drop the water?
Dude, I'm dying.
Where did you get it?
There's just kicks over there on the ground. Probably fucking got like drugs in it.
That's fucked. He's drinking groundwater.
We already got recognized and you got complimented on your sweater.
What do you mean?
The guy's like, oh, Ken White, yeah, I would follow you on Instagram. I love that hoodie.
Another 24. I gotta go cause I got me a drop top. And if I hit the switch, I can make the ass drop. Had to stop at a red light, looking in my mirror, not a jacker in sight.
Fuck this guy.
That's me. Hey, you guys know who this is?
You know who that is?
I am. That's him.
Alright. Your tattoos?
They've been a huge hit, by the way. The kids are loving them.
Oh, that is awesome. Oh, I gotta take some of these. He's getting the tattoo. He's getting this on there. I think that's pretty cool.
I think it's hilarious. Freak him out.
Who? Wearing our hoodie.
Oh my god. What's going on, man?
How's it going, dude? Good, how are you?
This is the largest ConExpo ever, and today we were graced with a beautiful sunny day. It knew that I was coming and doing a live podcast, so the weather shined on us
Saw the
today.
police and they rolled right past me. No flexing, didn't even look in a nigga's direction as I ran the intersection. Went to Show Dog's house, they was watching yo on TV raps. What's the haps on the craps? Shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em. Roll 'em in a circle of niggas and watch me break 'em.
Fuck off, Siri. Huh? Oh, fuck. I think it worked.
Where's the Taylor White part? You didn't put it in?
I took it off. I'm gonna put the Taylor White on my.
We are going to, we're taking a helicopter tour. How long of a drive is it?
24 minutes.
Oh shit, okay, we gotta make good time then. Get a helicopter tour.
Oh, that will be 702.
Okay.
The first building on the right before you came here.
Oh shoot.
Number 6, this is it.
Oh. Hey buddy, how are you? Hop on the car. We're going in a helicopter with open doors above the Las Vegas Strip. Just our average Wednesday night. Wait, is it Thursday? No, Thursday. It's Thursday.
Load up the choppers like it's December 31st. Roll up and cock it and hit them niggas where it hurts. If I die today, remember me like John Lennon. Barrett and Louis, I'm talking all brown linen, huh? Big black nigga.
That was cool. Thanks, man. Of course. Thank you very much, dude.
Yeah, the doors off are pretty cool. Huh?
Thank you. Yeah.
Swish. I'm swimming in the yellow bitch. In the red 911 looking devilish. Red beam make a bitch nigga sit down. Thought it was bulletproof till he got hit the fifth down.
Be up at 7? Yeah.
Where's your fucking dad at?
I don't know, dude. Fuck him.
David, can you go home?
Corey had a rough night last night.
No, I'm good. I'm good. What day is it?
Day 2 for us. Influencer panel coming up. It's gonna be a good day. Definitely warmer today than yesterday.
Yeah, I can feel it in the air.
Yeah. Thank you. Wow. What's he doing? How you doing? Good.
He scanned my thing and it was like access denied. He's like, well, you gotta go there and sign up for this class. I'm like, I know Taylor White. He's like,
Thanks everybody for showing up and coming to the panel. We have a lovely group of people that we're going to go over today. First of all, welcome to Ask the Influencers panel discussion and meetup with the most popular construction minds. It's kind of weird to talk about myself. Hey, Ruby, God bless you. Come on, sir, God bless you. Oh, I can run that. Run this in my fucking sleep. Easy, like this is fucking. Is this the biggest thing they could bring here, really? I got fucking 5 of these at home.
So again, that's a simplified version of how the product research group works with it.
Oh yeah, piece of shit. And this doesn't even get up. Like cat, you got this, it wanks, right? And this all goes up. This thing you gotta get out like this and go, oh! All right, hell of a week here. We arrived here on Wednesday at noon. It is now Friday night. Brad and Kyle and Wooby are heading out tonight. I'm flying out tomorrow morning. plane flying over, private jets coming in constantly. Maybe one day I'll have a private jet. ConExpo was honestly unbelievable. My voice, I'm trying to hold it together for right now. It's kind of somewhat gone. The time change is the 3-hour time change. We were out last night till 3:30, which is really 6:30 a.m. our time. Awesome, awesome time. I said it earlier in the video, but thank you everybody that came out and like said hey to me. It's just pretty surreal seeing you guys face to face. Shit's fucking awesome, and I really appreciate it. I saw a lot of people, and everyone was obsessed with the Work Harder hoodies and stuff like that. We have more merch coming. You guys are gonna fucking love it. Thank you guys. Thank you AAM. Thank you ConExpo. Thank you everybody. That's a wrap up of our Vegas trip, baby. Vegas 2023. Let me know if you guys like this little travel little video. Catch you guys in the next one. Plane's coming. Take care. But of course I didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots of the channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, Viva Las Vegas! Why are you commenting down below, Viva Las Vegas? Well, because we are in the beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. Look at the sunset behind me. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below, Viva Las Vegas. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Look at that view, baby. Take care.